Hello, and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, VeChain, we're still dealing with two possible wave counts here. We've got the blue one and the white one. At the moment, I'm fairly neutral which one it is, but I prefer slightly the blue count just because it would provide more clarity and because the last rally looks a bit corrective. So I assume it's blue until the market tells me I have to favor white, which I would have to do if there's a sustained break above 5.5 cents, the blue wave one high, because then blue is not going to be the most, let's say, likely scenario anymore. And the reason is that the pullback that we've had in wave 2 so far, in blue wave 2, as you can see, it was very, very shallow. And if we get one more extension higher, I'd rather assume it's the white count in wave 3. Not a chart that isn't providing great clarity, but we have a possible 5-wave move up into the, what was that, February highs, yeah. February and the March high, and we have started a pullback, which looks like an ABC structure at the moment to me. So I'd prefer the C wave to go down a little lower. Always bear in mind, it's a bullish market, pullbacks may be shallow. Maybe because of that, it's gonna take the white count, okay, the white route. But the problem with the white scenario is that it would then rather look like a larger ABC structure. So A, B, C in wave A, this was the December top. Then a B wave pullback that was not deep enough to be very clear. So that's why I'm not so, why I can't rule out blue, white. You know, there's no clear preference there, not very clear preference, but both bullish. Okay, I think that's very clear. And especially as long as we're in a bullish market, and the 1.8 cent level is the key support level. So looking at the white count then, we would be in a C wave up now, and the C wave possibly completed wave 1 already. This here was maybe already the wave 2, but even in the white count, we could get a more substantial wave 2 correction, which is why I'm in favor of a deeper wave 2. But then we could get a third wave, a fourth, and a fifth. The difference is between the two, you know, that with the blue count, due to the 5-wave move up, I can't really justify that all of this is wave 2 in blue. The low in March here around the 20th, right, where the price bottomed at 3.69 cents. But I could justify a low in wave 2 in the white count, even though here it was also rather shallow. Either way, you know, regardless of which count it is, a sustained break above 5.5 cents would indicate that we are on the move up, and that would most likely then mean wave 3. What would be the target for wave 3? Just that you have a bit of an orientation. Well, we'd be looking at the 1.38 extension probably as the first ideal target, 10.8 cents. Doesn't sound unrealistic. Let's see if it gets there. The blue count would be more substantially bullish, but looking at how far we've progressed in this bull market already, and they just can't really rally substantially, maybe it's just going to do the white count. Maybe it's just going to fill in an ABC structure. And that's it then, you know, maybe could just reach sort of the area around 15, 20 cents. That's it. Might never go to an all-time high again. We will have to see. We always have to take it level by level with these altcoins. Regardless, the current stance is still bullish. And I would say the next few weeks will really tell us much more about what VeChain is going to do throughout the rest of the year. Because it will depend on the nature of the next rally that we can say it's rather the blue count or rather the white count. And if it's the white count, it's not as clearly bullish long term. The long-term chart of VeChain isn't great anyway, given that we have a rally in an ABC structure in the 2021 high, and that's just never great, okay? So from that point of view, it could be anything, literally. So from an Elliott wave point of view, this is not a great chart, but it's still one we can give a chance as long as the bull market is running to form maybe a large ABC structure or something. But in the very short term, I think the support area is clear. It's between 1.8 cents and 3.18 cents. In any wave 2, ideally the price gets into this region. Okay, if we don't, then it's not the blue count, it has to be white. And our trigger point then to switch to the white scenario would be the 5.5 cent level, and then to expect further substantial upside movement within the white count to 10.8 cents plus. That's my update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.